Good morning, children. Welcome back to SS class. Today we are going to learn lesson 3 from block 6, Rights of Child. We have already studied fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Today we will learn rights of a child. Aim of this lesson is to analyze the rights of a child is entitled to. What do you expect your family members or parents do for you? We will learn about some rights that children are expected to have. We can read some situation and discuss problem these children face and how can you help them. I am an 8 years old girl. I have 3 brothers. I wanted to go to school, but my parents cannot send all of us to school. They decided that 2 of my older brother would go to school and that my younger brother and I would stay at home. My family lives in a village and there is no hospital there. Next situation, my family lives in a village and there is no hospital there. I was never given medicines when I was a baby to protect myself from polio. Polio is a disease that makes a person unable to walk, and I am 6 years old. I cannot walk. I have polio. Then third situation, I am 10 years old and work in a carpet factory with many other children. It is very dark and dust in the factory. We work for 12 hours every day. I don't like to work. Many years ago, an earthquake destroyed our house. My father has no work and we have no money to build a new house. So we sleep on the footpath. I am 10 years old. I beg in the street for money so that we can buy food. Then next one, I am a 6 years old girl and I live with my mother and younger brother. My mother is sick and unable to work. Most of the time we stay hungry because we have no money for food. Sometimes we get to eat rotten food and then my brothers and I become sick. What problems are these children facing? Some of these children are forced to do things that they should not be doing. They are forced to work in a factory. Some of them don't get proper food and water or have house to live in. Some are not able to go to school while some have illness from childhood. Families don't have the money to help them lead better lives. Their lives can improve if they get healthy food and proper drinking water, go to school and have a house to live in. What must children have to lead happy and healthy life? Whose duty is to make sure that children have these rights? All children must be able to go to school. They must not be forced to work at younger age. They must get good food to be healthy. They must be able to live in secure places to be safe from danger and get correct treatment and medicine from doctors. These are the rights all children must have. It is the duty of the families, parents of the children to help them enjoy these rights. Let's see which are the rights. Which are the rights of child? Every child must get medical help. Every child must go to school. Every child must eat healthy food. No child should be forced to work. Every child must have a name. These are the rights of child. Then, who can help children who have no one look after them or whose parents do not have the money to take care of them? There are many organizations that look after needy children. It is our duty to show our love, support, and care for children who have no one to look after them. Okay, let's discuss S3 children. First question, which are the rights of a child? Put tick against the correct answer. Eat healthy food. Yes, it is correct. Work to Earn a living? No. Live on footpath? No. Go to school? Yes, it's a right. So tick, eat healthy food and go to school. Then second one, money from people so that we can buy food for ourselves. Then next picture, I sell flowers to earn money for my family. So second question, state the rights which have been taken away from these children. Which rights are taken away from these children? Yes, right to healthy food. They are begging for money for pupils though, so that we can buy food. Which right is denied there? Yes, right to get proper food. Then second one, I sell flowers to earn money for my family. Children, they must not be forced to work at a young age. This right is denied here. Then third question, how can we help these children? We can help these children by giving money and support them and care for children who have no one to look after them. Okay. It is our duty to show our love, support and care for children who have no one to look after them. Hope you understood this lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.